Monroe County traffic, Saratoga is back taxiing for departure on runway 25. Correction, runway 23.
At Saratoga, Monroe County, Taylor craft, we're down about 5 miles to the southwest of the field at 4,500 feet, done some air work.
Firm 39er Lima will be out of your way shortly, just back taxiing and then departing runway 23.
Sounds good, thanks. You going to Wisconsin or Chicago or Michigan, right?
We're actually going out for a little bit of a sightseeing ride over the mountains and over the river. So we'll probably just be south of Knoxville, headed eastbound, and then we'll be coming back to Monroe County presently.
Okay, cool. Massville traffic, experimental 601 X-ray Charlie. We're going to hold short here and watch the guy take off 23 and then we'll back taxi.
Monroe County traffic, Saratoga rolling runway 23.
And Massville traffic, experimental 601 X-ray Charlie, back taxi in 23.
Monroe County traffic, Saratoga making left traffic to depart the pattern eastbound, Monroe County. Alright, pumps on. Good. Mag's good. Just a little volume. Alright, Massville traffic, experimental 601 X-ray Charlie, be taking off 23.
Alright, the iPad sucks today, guys. I can't get anything to work. I don't know what's going on. Only thing that is connected is the Area 660, which does seem to be working alright. I'm planning a trip pretty soon to Myrtle Beach in Atlanta, and I want to make sure that everything's functioning right. I did wash the plane today, though. It looks a whole lot better. It feels like it's lighter. It needed it. Anyway, we're at 3.8 miles from Madisonville Airport, and I'm
Traffic center, flight
3,500 descending. Most of this flight's been a waste because all I've done is look at the iPad, which is worthless. It's not what flying is supposed to be about. And I'm way hot here for Madisonville traffic. Madisonville traffic, Pyramid 601 X-ray Charlie. We're 2.7 miles out due south, inbound for 23. Now climbing through 3,000. Oh, it's my daughter's birthday. It's my daughter's birthday. I need to give a shout out to Ivy Blair. And I need to give a shout out to Brian Graves for telling me about these headsets. Hopefully we're getting audio. I was going to let you guys know. I'm using their Bose QC35s. And they're really quiet in the airplane. And I got a used set for $150. And then if you go on Amazon, there's a U-Fly mic. You can get that, and they're about $250, $60. And then there's another one. That's the one I'm using. It's a little cheaper. It's $170. I'll throw a link up here if this all works out. Madisonville traffic, Pyramid 601 X-ray Charlie. We're base for 23. Sorry, I'm trying to get used to all these systems here. It's a little different. I'm trying to fly the airplane and give a video at the same time. This is pretty difficult. I applaud the guys that do it. And got to get my squelch set just right so you guys can hear me good. Alright, Madisonville traffic, Pyramid 601 X-ray Charlie. We're on final approach, 23, currently at 1,400 feet. And my job now is to slow the airplane down and land it safely. I'm at 80 miles an hour, which is right about the place where we put the flaps in. And you can tell my nose is really high right now. That's just to get this baby slowed down. Little bit of right rudder. A little bit high. Watch this baby. So I get these flaps in here. And touchdown. Bring the flaps back up. Good left side, looking good right side. And Madisonville traffic, 1 X-ray Charlie, we are clear of the active. Alright, I think I'm going to throw this iPad on the ground and stomp on it a few times and see if I can get it to work properly next time. I'm going to leave the tape rolling just in case I get it good while we're trying to get parked here. And then I got to go get the truck. And get her spun. Pretty good right there.